Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, April 29th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Today was kind of a funky, somewhat boring day, uh, but the Dow had a good day. We had some good economic news this morning. The Dow reacted by opening strongly positive and then reversing itself, going negative, and then coming back last 3 hours a day or so, and ended up closing a very respectable 240 points. So clearly the Dow did have a good day today. We did not have that good of a day. We had $5,000 positive in open trade equity yesterday, and in the 9 or so positions we had, that shrunk to positive $512. So we are continuing to be bedeviled by the whack-a-moles, and I just want to. Some people have suggested that this is, the hedge fund traders have noticed Bob Moran and they're beating up on our portfolio. This is not the case, I assure you. I am tracking several portfolios and they're all doing the same thing. So it's not us. But our particular price pattern that our algorithm is based on is getting beaten up by this selling. And the selling, it's interesting, the stocks hold up overnight and into the pre-session for the majority of the pre-session, and then it seems like with about 20 minutes to go, they start selling it, and then they really come down hard after the regular market opens, and for that very critical first hour, because we hang on to our stuff during that time, and we're just getting crushed. And that's what happened this morning. We had $5,000 in all set up. It was holding fine in the pre-market, and then by the time we got out that first hour, it shrunk to $512. Very frustrating, discouraging. But I assure you, this is happening in all the stocks, and it's just our price pattern is out of favor right now. Okay, I have nothing much to show you. I'll show you the best stock we had today, and this is LC, which is Lending Club Corporation, and we had bought this yesterday with maybe 3 hours to go on a pop-up there, and it really took off this morning after the open, so much so that we were getting ready to hold this into a third day, and then it started backing off, and we were basically stopped out right there with $4,200 in profit in Lending Club Corporation. So that was a pretty good trade. Anyway, hey, nothing's perfect. We're getting to the end of tomorrow will be our Freaky Friday, will be our last trading day of April, and it's been a rough month. Believe it or not, we could still end up closing with a small profit for the month, but it's just been horrible. Horrible drawdown during this month. It's been very tough. Anyway, that's the way it went. Jared Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.